In astronomy and astrology, the band of sky across which the sun, moon, and planets travel is referred to as the zodiac. At least from Earth's perspective, this band of sky is called the zodiac. When the sun, or another celestial body, travels into the section of the zodiac that includes a certain constellation, we say that it is in that constellation. The zodiac encompasses a number of different constellations. The belief that the location of celestial bodies might be utilized to forecast the future may be traced back to ancient civilizations, such as the ancient Greeks and Romans. These people created the zodiac. They thought that astronomy and astrology were the same thing, but we now know that this is not the case at all. In the field of astrology, the term sign of the zodiac refers to one of the 12 distinct constellations of the zodiac that the sun travels through over its annual cycle. The position of the sun in the zodiac at the time of a person's birth determines the sign of the zodiac they belong to. The concept that one's zodiac sign may accurately anticipate aspects of a person's personality is central to the practice of astrology. When compared to the constellations of the zodiac, the positions of the sun, moon, and planets are said to be able to reveal information about the future. This is one of the ways in which astrology may be used to make predictions. The term horoscope may apply to both an astrological map of the planets and zodiac signs as well as a forecast of the future using such a map. A horoscope can also be used to refer to the astrological map itself. You're in luck if you think any of this could be interesting to you. We have observed the constellations in the sky and mapped out the 12 distinct signs of the zodiac that are generally used in astrology. As an added bonus, we will include a list of the dates that are linked with each sign in the year 2022, as well as some astrological information about what each sign indicates about a person's personality.